What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Numenaire, which has taken a huge pump guys, 15% up in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $28.20. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Numenaire. As you guys can see, it has gained 45% over the week and over the month 35%. So we're going to be going through, can it potentially hit $30-40 over the coming weeks and potentially head over $50 by the end of Q1 of 2024, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the right time to buy it, is it too late, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher. So over the last few months, since about October, November, it has been gaining an insane amount of value guys, as you guys can see here. So what is next for Numenaire? Before we get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Numenaire, which is here in purple at just over $20. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here at nearly $28, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, the only bad side to that is there is a huge gap between the purple and the red value here, which means it is kind of overvalued, so it is due for a little bit of a dip over the coming days and weeks, which we will be going through later on in the video. But for now, let's hide the MACD the Fibonacci scale, and zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Numenaire over the next 12 to 14 hours. And we can see that it has already started to drop in value a little bit here with the red candles here over the last 2 to 3 hours, and this is likely to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to just below $26 is where I'm expecting Numenaire to be trading at by midday tomorrow. Reason for that is it's pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 to 48 hours, so it is due for a little bit of a dip, and as I mentioned earlier on, is slightly overvalued and likely to go for a price correction over the coming days, and it has already started to happen. So let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we have taken a complete U-turn. However, it is still looking a little bit skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish and the orange line is looking bullish, so we've got both the lines going in opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Numenaire? According to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, I'm expecting Numenaire to be heading over $30 by the end of next week guys, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from Numenaire over the coming week or so. So yes, it is likely to hit red days over the coming days, going for a little bit of a price correction, and by mid to end of next week it should start gaining value, recovering a little bit, heading over $30 is what I'm expecting from Numenaire over the next 7 to 8 days. So by the end of next week it should be trading over $30. Now Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been happening over the last couple of days and weeks as well, meaning it is not too realistic because of the major pump, and the graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late March and early April, I'm expecting Numeraire to have gone through an overall drop in value. Again, reason for that is it is overvalued. Since about last October, it has been consistently gaining value, so it should technically go for a little bit of a price correction, dropping down to about $22 to $23 in late February and March as well, and potentially from April onwards slowly start to gain value in Q2 of 2024, and by mid-year it should be heading over around $40 in value is what I'm expecting. But again, with the Bitcoin halving coming in April as well, this could have a major impact on the crypto market. So anything like that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have hit the top tier level here, guys. After, let's have a look. The last time we were there was all the way back in 2022, so around August 2020, so not even August, guys, around May 2022 is when it hit the top tier level, and we are back there. However, what I am expecting over the next couple of weeks and months, as I mentioned earlier, is for the crypto to take a little bit of a step back, heading down to the blue zone here, blue to green zone here over the coming weeks, and potentially then slowly start to gain value again in Q2 of 2024. So it's going to be quite volatile with red and green days, but the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the negative side. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 90%, guys, in the last 24 hours, making it $81 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. The reason it has gone up is very clear. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. According to Binance, it is the top gainer, so it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yes, guys, it is one of the top trending cryptos, and in return it helps the value of Numeraire pump up even higher. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Numeraire, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? I've seen a lot of comments saying it should probably hit $100. Yes, I'm also expecting that. However, that's not going to be until the very end of the year or early next year. We're going to have to give it enough time to hit that price range, as it does require a major increase to hit the $100 mark. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.